From Modern Languages for All, I am Daniel Jones bringing you the 2 current events that you need to know for today. First, according to a new border report as of January 27, 2024, about 300,000 migrants are being deported or expelled from the U.S. into Mexico every month, according to Fuerza Migrante, a binational migrant advocacy group. Second, Michelle Obama is reportedly being discussed as a potential replacement for Joe Biden as the Democratic presidential nominee, with the purported involvement of her husband, Barack Obama. The former First Lady, aged 60, and Barack Obama are alleged to have engaged in discussions with potential donors, while Democratic strategists are said to be interested in this scenario. Given mounting concerns about Biden's cognitive well-being in the context of a potential re-election bid, particularly against the vigorous Donald Trump, sources within the White House claim that preparations for Michelle's ascension are in progress. It is suggested that Biden may announce his decision not to pursue another presidential campaign in May 2024 due to health reasons, thus clearing the path for Michelle to be nominated as the Democratic candidate by August 2024, coinciding with the Democratic convention, as outlined in a consequential report by the New York Post. Source: Radar Online and Modern Languages for All. Expert contributor: phonetician Denis Sano. Phonemic awareness. Pronunciation remains the most important aspect in language learning and teaching. To activate the closed captions when watching this video, touch your screen and then hit the CC on the upper right corner so you can practice listening and speaking while improving your pronunciation skills with the transcript. Please remember to share with all your friends and family members while hitting the subscribe button to stay informed about our daily uploads related to God's Word, education, world events, big names, general knowledge, and more. Stay tuned. Ciao.